Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions with three innovative investment strategies: SOFR, Sonifer and Bombits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies and have immensely benefited many of our clients regardless of the market conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end. Don't stop in between. Click the bell icon. Encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is September 3, 2022, Saturday. As always, in this video, we will be discussing about the global market performance, currencies, commodities, that is Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, FTSE, US dollar index, US 10-year yield, oil, Brent and NYMEX, all those things we will discuss for the month of August. Because for the month just ended, we didn't cover the month, though week ended yesterday, that is September 2nd. We'll try to cover the week also, but largely in this video we'll be covering about how the month closed and what we can expect in this month, that is in the month of September. Dow, Nasdaq, S&P all closed 4% down. Dow closed at 31,511, while Nasdaq closed 11,816 and S&P closed at 39,55 and FTSE at 7284.51, which closed 1.19%. So Dow, Nasdaq and S&P all formed the same type of candle. What is the candle it formed? It was forming a solid green candle till the third week of August. Thereafter it started falling down and ultimately it formed a reversal candle. What is the candle it formed? It formed a big long upper wick and formed a bearish engulf. A very big red candle, but a bearish engulf candle, bearish harami candle, which is well within the body of the previous green candle it formed. So such a bearish harami candle with a long upper wick, and also it closed at one stage it was above the Bollinger middle band and exponential moving average, but ultimately it closed well below the Bollinger middle band and exponential moving average, so which is not a good sign. However, it is kind of, if one were to look at a line chart, probably one might infer that it can form it is something like a double bottom or a W kind of a thing that is about to form. Now, in the last 2 days, in the month of September, when we analyze what it had formed, it has gone below the previous month's low, that is August low. That means Dow, Nasdaq and S&P has only three types of candles that it can form in this month. What are the three types it can form? A, it can go down and touch the lower band, which is around 4 to 5% around from these levels, which means the earlier lows it has touched on Dow, Nasdaq and S&P will be broken down and it can touch the Bollinger Lower band. That's one option and stay there by the end of September, which indicates that further downfall in the coming months. That's one. The second thing that it can form is that it can go down and touch the lower band or stay somewhere near the lower band and then form a reversal. That is one option it can form and ultimately close at the same level where it is now. That is, yesterday, for example, S&P closed at 3924 and Nasdaq yesterday closed at it opened at 11707 in this month, that is in the month of September, and Dow at 31454. If it closes, then that means what happened? It would have formed a long lower leg and formed either a small spinning top or a doji star. Then that means it is ready to form a morning star in the month of October. That is one possibility it is there. The third possibility is that in this month itself it can form a W or double bottom, closing the double bottom and form a green candle. However, when I analyze the the lower component, that is the weekly and the daily, I am not finding that kind of reversal candle that is being formed in the daily, weekly and daily, and also in the 5-hour chart, which means we need some more time before we will be in a position to tell what type of candle it is going to form. But whatever said and done, the exponential moving average and the Bollinger middle band, which is at least 4% above these levels, 4 to 5% from these levels in Dow, Nasdaq and S&P, cannot be taken out in this month. That is for sure. Till at least September 20, when the Fed meeting happens. So it is on a sideways to downward bias in this month. Now let's look at FTSE. FTSE on the other hand, what had happened? FTSE again, it formed the same candle. It formed a solid reversal. It formed the similar candle as that of Dow, Nasdaq and S&P, but it fell only 2%. But what had happened? Yesterday, September 1st, in this month, that is in the month of September, it opened a gap down like Dow, Nasdaq and S&P and went significantly below the Bollinger exponential moving average. It is still below the Bollinger middle band, but it went below the exponential moving average at 7317, and then on 1st of September, it formed a solid red candle below the Bollinger Lower band in daily chart. And 2nd September, that is yesterday, it formed a solid reversal, bullish engulf, very big green candle, which indicates that there is some reversal, solid reversal that is seen in FTSE. Of course, the first reversal should be ignored and we have to wait for a confirmation candle, the second reversal that can come anytime. At this point in time, FTSE has formed a bullish ready to form a bullish candle. Till now it has formed a bullish candle, solid green candle with a long lower leg in September. Of course it is only 2 days, but in the weekly chart also it formed a red candle, but it formed a long leg red candle, which indicates that some reversal can come in FTSE. So now let's look at CBOE weeks at 25. It formed a solid green candle and it is moving up. So this indicates that the FTSE volatility is going to be there for some more time. Hence, no, we cannot expect any support from some FTSE weeks going down, CBOE weeks going down, which is not a good sign from a volatility perspective and hence from a market movement perspective. Next, we go into dollar index. Dollar index had closed the month, that is month of August, at 108.665. If one recollects, if one had seen my video on August 14th, August 21, 28, all these days, we had clearly told that 105.30 is going to be a very strong support and it will not go below that. And what had happened in this month, this is the 6th month in succession that the prices is above the Bollinger upper band in the monthly chart, which is a very strong up move. Why it is such a strong up move? Because in all the time frames it is moving up, and now in this month, in the 2 days of September, again it jumped up and it is well above the Bollinger upper band and well above the previous month's, that is August high. So hence, no, I don't see 106.30 or 105.30 breaking down that easily in the near future. Why? When I analyze the individual components, first component, what is that? Euro versus USD. It closed exactly at 1.00, just at parity, and now as we speak, that is in the 2 days of September, it has gone below that. So it is sliding down along the Bollinger Lower band, which signifies that there is no reversal that is happening and it is going drifting down dramatically. So which means dollar index, if it has to go up, Euro has to strengthen against USD, which I am not seeing. It is 6th month in a row it is going down. Same case, same is the story with GBP versus USD. Only thing is that the rate of GBP is at 1.15, somewhere around that level, and GBP is again the same type of candle as that of Euro versus USD, sliding down 6th month in a succession, and weekly and daily also we don't see any reversal. Daily it formed reversal both in Euro versus USD and GBP versus USD, but after touching the upper band it started going down. Now it is significantly going down towards the Bollinger Lower band. So hence I don't see these two going up in the near future because it is sliding down nicely. Next important key component for dollar index is USD versus JPY. USD versus JPY, it closed at 138.96. Here again we are told that it will close above 136. People can see my videos, earlier videos. Here again, the 6th month in succession, the price is above the Bollinger upper band. It formed a solid green candle, bullish engulf with a long lower leg, which indicates that the up move is going to be there for some more time. And even in the 2 days of September, it has crossed the previous month's high and it is well above the Bollinger upper band. So all these things, when you combine together, I don't see dollar index even going below 107 in this month, unless otherwise we see some dramatic reversals. Now, our interest, USD versus INR. USD versus INR, it closes 79.49 in this month, in the month of August, and this was the 7th month in succession it is staying above the Bollinger upper band. Remember, we had always told that 78.40, 78.60, then 79.10, all these things are support that we had indicated. In this month again, it is slightly below touching the upper band, and I don't see any reversal happening even in the weekly time frame. When I look upon the weekly time frame, though it went below and it touched the low of 78.393 2 weeks before, it is above the Bollinger upper band and exponential moving average, and it is going up. So hence, it is not a good sign for India, and probably we might see 81, 82 coming in the near term. Next is US 10-year yield at 3.196. Remember last week we are told that it will close above 3.15. Why? Here again it formed a solid bullish engulf and crossing the Bollinger upper band decisively. However, some sign of reversal is seen here. Till now it has formed a doji in the 2 days, and in the weekly chart it has found a slight upper wick in the weekly, and after 3 green candles there is a chance that it can form a reversal candle, the same thing that it had formed in the daily chart on 2nd of September. So we can see some downward movement, but I don't see it going down below 2.950 or 95 levels in this month. Next is Brent and NYMEX. If you recollect, Brent we had given a level of, we had expected it to close above 97 levels, but we were slightly off the mark. It closed at 95.64. Same is the case with crude. We had indicated a level of 93 to 94, 92 to 94 here, but it closed at 89.55. It formed a solid 3 reversals and it is trending down. However, in the 2 days, the previous month's low has not been taken out and it is showing some reversal, and of course in the daily chart it has already formed reversals which you have indicated. And also, if such a candle is formed, normally what happens, the 4th candle will be a rising 3 methods, meaning the 4th candle will be a solid short covering green candle. That is very much possible looking at the weekly time frames. Hence, we expect some up move coming in Brent and NYMEX in this month, but the downward trend is arrested till it is above the Bollinger middle band. So that is what it is. Combining all these things, what do we expect for Indian markets? Indian markets is going to be sideways with slight downward bias because it has run up strongly, and also it has formed, as I mentioned in yesterday's video, doji star in banknifty and a red candle in Nifty, and Nifty for the last 5 days it could not close above the exponential moving average, and also in the monthly it has formed a candle which is within the body of the previous month's August week candle. Hence we can expect sideways with a downward bias in this month at least. Thank you very much.
Audio Jungle.